Welcome to beautiful San Miguel de Allende, Mexico. This is a beautiful town about 4 hours north of Mexico City, and although I'm in the middle of town, the place where everyone sees normally, I'm actually going to be taking this video mostly away from the center, or away from the most tourist area, and out into a lot of the Barrio Guadalupe, Barrio San Antonio, which is a colonia, a neighborhood with a lot of street art. So that's what I'll be focusing on in this video. But I also am going to be sharing just random things that I have found around San Miguel. I hope you enjoy. So how cool is this one? Can you see the telephone pole? Let me help you find it. You never know what you'll find behind a door. Actually, behind this one is a bullfighting ring in the middle of the block. I found it on Google Maps. I wish I could get in there, but looks like it is all closed up. San Miguel is a very hilly town, and also they close off a lot of the streets in the central area, I think at night and on weekends. So the best way to get around here is a cab. There's lots of cabs. They cost, I think, on average, like 70 pesos to get around anywhere in the central area, central and surrounding area, really. So that's $3.50. Uber, not so great here, but the cabs, really easy to just flag one down, hop in, and get to where you're going. And if you want to save $3.20 or so, you could catch one of the local buses. Sidewalks are narrow and streets are cobblestone, so be careful when walking around. I hope you enjoyed this tour of the art, intentional and unintentional, in San Miguel de Allende. I am here at the bus stop about to head to Mexico City to continue my exploration of this central part of Mexico. So there'll be more videos from this trip over here. Hasta luego.